He was like,
oh, she's going to bed now.
nope.
He found something else to keep him entertained. Rusty, go get her! Go get her!
Go get Claire.
Go get her!
Go get her. Go get in the car now. Go get in the car, Rusty.
Hurry, Rusty, go get in the car.
Go get in the car, Rusty. Look.
Hurry, go!
Go. Go get in the car. Go. She's letting you get in the car.
What a mean girl. Aww. Meanie. Mean girl.
She's gonna trounce up.